Alright, this is part 2 of our review of Transformers Universe Classics 2.0 Henkei Ironhide by Takara. In the background is the Hasbro release of the Universe Ironhide, and in a size comparison in robot form is Movie Ironhide. This is just a regular Ironhide, not the premium series. Ironhide was really meant to be a Voyager, if you ask me. I just wish they had made him into a Voyager instead of a deluxe. It's maybe the size of Inferno. Would have been just about the right scale. Um, anyway, let's talk about Ironhide some more. As I said in my first part of this review, he is the better figure among the two releases, primarily because of the paint job. We'll see the differences in paint job a lot better once we transform him. So here he is, one last look in robot form. Very good mold. I absolutely love this mold. Very poseable. You can do all sorts of action poses with him. So to transform him, remove the weapon. Again, you can put the weapon just like the Hasbro version, either the gun or the blade mode, or you can put the hand in. Doesn't really matter. There's a spring inside that will allow the hand to be fit in. So it's your preference. So straighten out the limbs. If you don't pose your figures the way I do them, you'll have an easier time in transforming. Okay, straighten him out, like so. Even the ankles are very articulate, so you can get a lot of poses from him. Okay, shoulders are very articulate. Okay, transform him. What you want to do is raise the arms and align them properly, like so. Okay, just like that. You'll be forming the side windows. Same thing here. Okay, like that. And then you want to clear the chest, like so, and fold in the head, like that. Okay, bumper. Okay, the wheels. Okay, hope you can all see this because I'm doing this in the daytime. Different kind of lighting. At this point, as you fold the arms in, you'll notice there is a tab or a hole where you can tab the weapon in. I suggest you tab the weapon in right now because you won't get a chance to do so once the transformation has gone far enough. So, oops, sorry, you have to fold in the arms. Forgot about that bit. Okay, like that. Make sure everything's aligned, otherwise he's not going to look good in vehicle mode. Okay. Okay, this gun is causing problems, but it'll sort itself out. There you go. You're okay, you're halfway done. Now all you have to do is the legs. Legs can be kind of tricky because of the looseness of the joints for the tab joints for some of the pieces, like this bit. It's very loose. You can easily pop him off, just like this bumper. You can easily pop it off, so be very careful when you transform it. Even if it's a Henkei version, the quality issues are still there because of the mold. So to transform him, fold the feet just slightly and then rotate. Oh, sorry, just move the hips down first, like that, and then rotate. This is a cool part. I really like this bit of the transformation, wherein you rotate the front part of the car. Okay, then everything just tabs in, like that. Okay, this is, again, I said you have to be very careful with this. Okay, all right. Same thing with this one. Okay, like that. Very careful when you're locking this. I've taken it down. I've broken it off several times now. It sucks because this is a Henkei figure and it's very expensive. It's a lot more expensive than the Hasbro version. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, you can just make sure you align it properly because it's gonna spin because it's on a ball joint. Okay, like that. Okay. Okay, and then all that's left to be done is just to fold in the top part. Okay, just fold it in. Okay, now again, be very careful with this part. I kept on snapping it off. Oh, let's see what will happen now. Okay. Ah, stressful. Alright, and there you have Ironhide in his alt mode, almost. Okay. Okay, that's as good as it'll get. Um, what I don't like about this alt mode is if you look a lot at the side panel, the side panel looks like it's a jigsaw puzzle. I don't like that it's not a seamless fit. I've been trying to do this all night for a couple of days now, but it just doesn't want to fit as seamlessly as I'd like it to be. So um, that's the only downside to it. And the chrome could have been in other parts, but they chose the rear lights, rear tail lights, and the front headlights. It could have been the bumpers or something else. But other than that, it's a pretty good alt mode. It's a big improvement on the van, the combi van that Ironhide was. But it's still reminiscent of the G1 vehicle mode with the yellow stripe, and the red is more accurate. I actually like this alt mode better than the G1 alt mode. If you look at him with the Hasbro release, clearly you can see that this red is so off. It's too light, it's too bright. I really don't like it. Even the weapon is so dull. The blue windows and moonroof is just horrible. If you look at the Henkei version, it is a very metallic kind of blue and a black moonroof, which is a much better improvement. My final thoughts on this figure: if you can save up for the Henkei version, I mean, it's a Japanese made figure, I suggest you save up and you get him instead of this guy. This guy costs, here in Metro Manila at our local Toys R Us and Toy Kingdom, he costs about $700 or $14. This guy, I bought him for about, oh, how much did I get him? $23. $23 at a hobby shop. I got him at R Toys at the second floor of V Mall in Green Hills. If you're in Metro Manila, you go there. The owner, Robert, is a good friend of mine. He has great deals for you for toys, for Transformers and G.I. Joe figures. Um, and if you just save up a little bit more, you'll find that this figure is really worth your money, and he'll be money well spent versus this horror. As I said, avoid the universe Hasbro Ironhide like the plague. Avoid him at all, and then just get your hands on this guy. Once again, Transformers Universe Classics 2.0, Takara Henkei Ironhide. There he is. Thanks for watching.